Everybody, Greg Luchak with the Luchak Group at Keller Williams Clients Choice, bringing you another fantastic home listing tour. The property that we're at today is 4336 East Anvil Drive here in Colorado Springs. This home is a great location with easy access to the Power Shopping Corridor, Peterson Air Force Base, and Fort Carson, just a few minutes away. The location of this property specifically is fantastic. You've got open space right across the street, so no neighbors in front of you. Makes for a very quiet street. And you've got a community park, walking trails, and all sorts of activities just a few steps this way. The home is 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. You've got over 1,800 total square feet, nearly 1,300 finished square feet. As you can see, you've got a beautiful 2-car garage. The house has been freshly painted. You've got a large backyard that's fully fenced that features a good-sized concrete patio, additional storage shed, and is really a great blank canvas for you to do whatever you want with. This home is built in 1999 and has a fantastic tri-level layout. The interior has also been recently updated. Let's go check it out. Now, when you enter this home, you're going to immediately notice the beautiful vaulted ceilings. Lots of natural light that comes from those double pane vinyl windows that are really energy efficient and really quiet. And you notice you got beautiful hardwood floors here at the entry that are going to run throughout the foyer into that kitchen area as well as up the stairs. As you transition from the formal living room, you've got a big kitchen space that has an eat-in dining area, that convenient tri-level layout that takes that dining room area and opens it up to the family room below. But as you can see, you've got a kitchen with a separate counter bar that's been custom built to include additional cabinetry as well as serving space. You've got a secondary kitchen island as well that's extremely convenient. You've got a gas oven and range. All of the appliances do stay with the home. Again, this area gets great natural light. You've got big ceilings, updated lighting, and again, really open to that family room below. As we venture down to the family room again, you're going to transition with those same beautiful hardwood floors. You've also got fresh carpet down here in the family room as well. The family room also features a beautiful tile-clad gas fireplace, and this area does also walk out to that big concrete patio in the backyard. This is a great entertaining space. As we venture upstairs, the upper level has all of the sleeping quarters with 3 big bedrooms, including a spacious master suite. This master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet. It faces south, so you get all of that morning sun. And again, you have no neighbors directly across from you. So the master bedroom is really smartly positioned. And you've got a fantastic master bath attached that offers a big master shower with beautiful tile work surrounding. The 2 other bedrooms on the upper level are also well positioned, feature that beautiful fresh brand new carpet, that beautiful new paint. They both feature large closets and overlook the backyard. Just off the family room on the lower level, you've also got access to that 2-car garage, and you've also got about a 500 square foot unfinished basement space. This basement area makes for great storage, can easily be finished off to a 4th bedroom, theater room, or rec room. And you can see you've got the laundry down here as well. The washer and dryer do come with the home. Thanks so much for checking out 4336 East Anvil Drive. If you'd like more information on this property, please visit my website at www.makespringshome.com. And of course, if you'd like a private tour of this home, please give me a call anytime, 719-271-8888. See you on the next one.